Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are on second chapter, atom, element, and compound, right? So we have completed isotope, right? We have started isotopes. So first of all, in your syllabus, define isotope in different atoms of same element is this definition. So we have learned definition of isotope. Second, state the isotope, that isotope of the same element having same chemical properties and they have same number of electronic configuration. So we have discussed all this, right? Interpret in use of symbol 612 and chlorine 713. Calculate the relative mass of an element from the relative masses and abundance of the isotope. Okay. Now, next topic is interpretation. Interpretation. So here we have discussed example of isotope, right? So next example of isotope. Can anyone define what are isotopes?
Sir, isotopes are atoms of same element. They have same number of protons and electrons, but they have different number of neutrons, which also
The
makes
same,
it having a different nucleon number.
yes, they have same proton number. They have same proton number, but different nucleon number, right?
Yes,
So let's start
yes, sir.
second example of isotopes, right? Now example number two. Example number two. Example number two. Now example number two. Chlorine 35, 17, chlorine 37, 17. Now can anyone tell me how many protons are there in chlorine 37 and in chlorine 35? Beta, can anyone tell me how many protons are there? Are you listening to my voice?
Yes, sir. So,
Can you?
sir, the proton number. So the proton number here is 17. So meaning the
Hmm,
protons are 17 here,
17. Yes.
and also electrons are 17. In both there are
Hmm.
17.
Both are 17. Very good. And what about the electrons?
Electrons are also same 17.
Okay. And what about the uh, atomic number?
For the atomic number is atomic with atomic number is also same.
So all are 17, 17, 17, 17. So these three are same. These three are same. Now, second, how many neutrons?
Sir, for the first one, there are 18.
18.
Yes, 18 neutrons. 17 plus 18
18,
equals 35.
18 neutrons, right?
Yes, sir.
So 18 neutrons. How 18? 35 minus 17 is 18. 35 minus 17 is 18. So neutrons are 18. And here 37 minus 17 is 20.
20.
So both neutrons are different. right?
Yes.
Neutrons are different. And what about the nucleon number? Yes, what about the nucleon number?
Sir, in the first one, it's 17. Uh,
Nucleon
plus,
number.
yeah, no, in the nuclear number is 17 plus 18, which is 35.
So 35, yes. And for chlorine 37,
It's 20 plus 17, which is 37.
37. Now you can see that both neutrons and nucleon number are different. If this condition is fulfilled, it means both are isotope. Chlorine 35 and chlorine 37 are isotopes. Why isotopes? Because they have same proton, because they have same electron, because they have same atomic number. But different neutrons, different nucleon number. So because of these two things, we can say that chlorine 35 and chlorine 37 are isotope. Beta, are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now move to another example. Now move to another example. Example number 3. Example number 3. Our topic is isotope, right? Example number 3 is bromine. Example number 3 is bromine. Bromine is 7935. Second bromine is 8135. Now, can you tell me proton number, electron number, and atomic number?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, the number of protons is 35
Number of proton is 35. Very good.
for both of them, and the number of electrons is 35 for both of them, as well as the
Okay.
atomic number.
Yes. Atomic number?
Atomic number is also 35 for both of them.
Atomic number is also same.
Yeah.
So bromine, both bromine have same proton number, same electron, same atomic number. Now look at the difference. Look at the difference. Now, can you tell me number of neutrons?
Sir, it's 79 minus 35, which is 44.
Okay. So first we are going to find neutron number, right? So neutron. For neutron, 79 minus 35 is
44.
44. And 81 minus 35 is
46.
46. So both are different. Both are different. And beta, what about nucleon number?
The nuclear number is 79 and 81.
79 and 81. So again, different. Now you can say that bromine 7935 and bromine 8135 are isotopes. Are isotope. So can all of you repeat the definition of isotope one by one? Yes.
Sir. So isotopes have a same number of protons, electrons, and atomic number, but they have
Hmm.
different neutrons and nucleon number.
Hmm. Okay, next.
So, sir, isotopes are atoms of like the same elements which have the same number of proton and electron and atomic number, but then the
Hmm.
number of neutrons and nuclear number it is different.
Okay, next. Anyone? Anyone else in the
There are
group?
only two students. No, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, there are only
Two,
two students.
two students. Okay, okay. Next topic is interpret and use the symbol. Interpret and use the symbol. Yes. Use and interpret and use symbols for atoms. Now, this is 12,6. This is chlorine 3517 minus. Now, can you tell me the proton number? Which one is proton number?
Sir, for here it's 6 and 17.
So this is proton number. This is
सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर मैं आपको अपना नंबर दे दूं आप मुझे पुरानी क्लासेस के रिकॉर्डिंग्स सेंड कर दिएगा और मुझे ना ग्रुप में भी डाल दिएगा कि मैं ग्रुप में नहीं
okay, okay, beta. I will
ओके थैंक यू
send me your number on my number.
ओके सर ओके
Okay. Now proton number or atomic number. This is proton number or atomic number, right? So what is this 12?
Sir, this is the nuclear number.
It is the nucleon number. It is the nucleon number. And what is this negative ion show?
Sir, it shows that the charge is like overall it's negative.
Sir, it's ions.
donating electrons
Yes, can you repeat it again? What negative sign indicates? Can you repeat?
Sir, it's ions.
Yes, this negative ion indicates charge. This negative ion indicates charge.
-1.
Yes, negative. Either you have negative, either you have positive, right?
It means that there's one more electron.
Negative ion minus ion means one electron is added, right? If you have minus
yes.
2 charge, it means you have added
Two.
2 electrons. We have discussed earlier, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have positive charge. So this is also charge. This is called cation,
And that one is anion.
and ion. Very good. So interpret and use symbol for atoms 12, 6 and 35, 17. This is all about this notation. These are called notation. Now last one is calculate the relative atomic mass. Next is relative atomic mass. Yes. Can anyone define what is relative atomic mass? Yes. Can you define?
No, sir.
Yes. So, anyone? Now, relative means when you relate any element with another element. Such comparison is called relation or relative. So when you compare mass of any element with carbon, this relative mass is called relative atomic mass. Beta, are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat
Uh,
again?
Yes, relative atomic mass, right? What is relative atomic mass? Relative atomic mass is that mass of any element which is compared with carbon 12. Whenever you compare, whenever you compare nucleon number or mass number with any other element, such mass is called relative mass. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
For example, hydrogen relative atomic mass is 1. Hydrogen relative atomic mass is 1. Similarly, relative atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. Are you getting my point or not?
So what are we comparing it with? Carbon 12.
Yes, relate any mass of any atom. Relate mass of any atom with the carbon atom.
But sir,
Right?
why the carbon atom?
Because carbon has exactly mass number 12.000.
Oh,
That's why we use carbon 12. So first write the definition. relative atomic mass is the ratio relative atomic mass is the mean mass of any atom. Mean mass of any element. Related with the mass of carbon 12. Carbon 12. Just can anywhere, do you have periodic table?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can anyone tell me what is the relative atomic mass of chlorine? Yes.
5.5.
35.5. Okay. Now tell me relative atomic mass of chlorine. Relative atomic mass of sodium.
Sir, it says 22.990.
Very good. 22.990.
990.
Now, can you tell me relative atomic mass of nitrogen?
Uh, 14.007.
14.007.
007.
Now find the relative atomic mass of carbon. Yes,
Sir, 12.
exactly 12 or 12 point
So here
something.
it says, here it says 12.011 U.
12.000.
011 U. 0, 0, 1.
This is the correct mass, right?
Okay.
This is the correct mass. This is the correct mass of carbon. So relative atomic mass is the mean mass of any element related with the mass of carbon 12. You can add this part in the definition, right? On a scale where each carbon 12 has exactly 12 unit. So if the mass of carbon is 12, so you can divide into 12 parts, 12 equal parts, right? And then compare one part of carbon with other element. Are you getting my point or not?
No, sir, like how would you compare? So like for example, you will take the the mass, meaning the nuclear number,
Mhm.
and then you will
No, no,
compare
no,
it
no,
with,
no, 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 no. It means, let's suppose you have carbon, right? So let's suppose this is your carbon. Red one is hydrogen, and the green one is, let's suppose, magnesium. So here we have one piece. Let's suppose this is one piece, and carbon has same 12 pieces. Three, 4, 5, 6. So carbon has 12 pieces. Now you can easily compare one part of carbon with the hydrogen. Either maybe hydrogen is lighter than one part of the carbon, right? Or maybe lighter than. So this comparison gives the mass of hydrogen. That's why it is called relative atomic mass, because we compare the mass of hydrogen with the carbon 12.
okay, sir.
Now for magnesium, here you have 24. Now you can take the ratio, right? You can take the ratio. For example, for carbon ratio hydrogen, here you have 12 ratio 1. For magnesium, it is 12 ratio 24. So always remember, relative atomic mass, relative atomic mass. Why it is called relative? Because we relate the mass of any element with the carbon. Are you getting my point?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is relative molecular mass? Yes. Yes, what is relative molecular mass? Relative molecular mass. Yes, what is relative molecular mass? Now write the definition of the relative molecular mass. Relative molecular mass. This is MR. Symbol is MR. And symbol of relative atomic mass is AR. AR means relative atomic mass. MR means relative molecular mass of a substance is the sum of relative atomic mass of every element in that substance. Now, what does it means? Calculate MR of the following. Now, first question. NaCl. Now, can you tell me AR of sodium? Yes. Can anyone tell me AR of sodium? Beta, are you listening my voice?
22.990.
It means 23. And what about the chlorine?
Well, no, sorry.
Sir, 35.5.
35.5. So total is 58.5. Unit is AMU, atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. It's up to you. Either you write with the unit or just write the MR. Second is Na2O. Now, can you tell me how many sodium atoms? Yes, how many sodium atoms?
23, sir. So no,
No,
there are two atoms of sodium.
2 atoms. So
So like
make
23 plus
coefficient.
23.
Yes, make coefficient and then write like this. So sodium is 23 and oxygen is 16. So it becomes 46 plus 16. So answer is 62. Now I am giving you question. Do you have any question regarding H2SO, regarding MR?
Sir,
Yes.
so there can't be any atomic mass, any relative atomic mass for NaCl, but there is relative mass for NaCl, right?
Yeah, you can say that NaCl has relative molecular mass because NaCl is a molecule. So molecule has molecular mass,
Yes.
right? Now,
But
can
it
you
can't have. Okay. Okay, I
yes,
got
do
it.
you okay? Now H2SO4, right? H2SO4. Now tell me how many hydrogen?
2 hydrogen, sir.
2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur, and 4 oxygen. Now can you tell me AR of hydrogen? Yes,
Sir, it's 1.
it's 1. And AR of sulfur?
32.
32. I think oxygen is 16, right? So
Yeah.
2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 32 plus 64. So I think it would be 98. Yes. Question number 4. HNO3. Now tell me how can I solve it?
Sir, so HNO3 equals H. Yeah, equals H plus N plus 3O.
3O. Very good. Then
Then we find the AR of each. H is 1.
yes, H is 1.
For N, I'll search.
N is 14, sir.
Na14.
And for O is 1 is 16, so meaning 3 bracket 16.
3 times 16, right?
So it's
So
going to be
1
1
plus
plus 14 plus 48
48,
equals 63.
62.
Sir, is the atomic mass given in the periodic table?
Yes, atomic masses are given in periodic table, right?
Uh,
And periodic
sir?
table is given in your exam. Yes.
No, actually, it's 63, sir, not 62.
Okay, 62. Now question number 5. CaCO3. Now anyone can tell me. Yes. Tell me how to calculate the mass of CaCO3. Yes. Anyone?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it's going to be like Ca plus
Ca.
C plus 3O.
Very good. Ca plus C plus 3O. Then
And then after that, Ca is 1 second. Uh, 40.
40.
Then carbon is 12,
Carbon is 12.
and then 3O, so 3 times 16.
3 times 16.
And then if we added 16, 30, 48,
104, 104.
yeah.
104. Now
No,
question
it's 100,
number,
sir.
sorry,
It should be 1 second, sir.
calcium carbonate is 100.
Yeah, it's 100, sir. CaCO3
Okay,
is 100.
very good. Now try to solve this. Na2CO3. Now solve and tell me the answer. Seventh is Na3PO4. Number 8, Ca3PO4 2. Yes. Tell me the answer of first.
Sir, for Na2 CO3, yeah. So it's going to be 2Na plus C plus
2Na
3O,
plus C plus 3 times O.
which will give us 20, and so 1 Na is 23, so it's going to be
23.
223
Very good. 2 times
plus
23.
12. Carbon is 12, so plus 12 plus
Carbon is 12.
16 plus oxygen is 16, so 316.
3 times 16. Now I need total answer, right?
Then 46 plus 12 plus 48, which will give us 40, 80, 88, 96, 94, 108.
108. Now next,
106, 106, sorry, 196.
106. Okay. 106. Now next, Na3PO4. Anyone? Yes.
Sir,
How can, yes, tell me.
this one will be, sir, 3Na
3Na. Yes, 3Na
plus P
Plus P.
plus
plus P. Then
plus 4O.
plus 4 times O.
Yeah.
Okay. Sodium is 23. Phosphorus is
Phosphorus is 30.974. So that will be 31,
31. Oxygen is 16.
16.
Now tell me the answer.
Uh, 164, sir.
164.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. Just tell me how to solve.
3Ca
3Ca. Very good.
plus 2P
Plus 2P
plus 8O.
plus 8. Oh, very good.
Ca is equals to 40.
So calcium is 40. Phosphorus is 31.
Yeah.
Oxygen is 16. Yes.
Sir, is 310.
310. Okay, now question number 9. So we are moving easier to difficult one, right? So question number 9 is Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Now, anyone?
Sir, what does the dot mean?
Dot means it is a part of sodium carbonate. It's a part of sodium carbonate. So this such salts are called hydrated salt. Yes, can anyone tell me how to solve?
2Na 3CO
Very good. 2Na
Plus C,
plus C
plus 3O,
plus 3O. Dot means plus, right?
Plus 10H. No.
Plus
Plus 20H. 20H. 20H.
20H. Very good.
10O.
Very good. Very good.
Plus 10O.
20H plus 10O.
10O.
Very good. Sorry. 20H plus 10O. Now put the values. Sodium is 23. Carbon is 12. Oxygen is 16. Plus 2. 20, sorry, 20. H is 1. O, oxygen is 16. Yes.
Negative C.
286. Sir, 286.
286, right? 286. Now last question for MR is CuCO3. Yes.
Sir, I mean, Cu plus C
Cu
plus 3O, which
plus
is
3
equals
times
to
O
And for Cu, the atomic relative mass is 63.546, which will be 64,
63.5.
which is 64.
No need to adjust. 63.5.
Okay, 63.5 plus carbon, which is 12, plus 3O, which will be 316. And then we take it bracket out, which will be 63.5 plus 12 plus 48, which will be 123.5.
Sorry,
123.5.
123.5. 123.5. This is all about relative molecular mass, right? MR. Now find relative atomic mass from isotopes. This is our topic, relative atomic mass and abundance of its isotope. Now part A. Can anyone tell me how many isotopes are there for chlorine?
Sir, 2?
Yes, 2. One is 35 and second one is
37.
37. So chlorine has 2 isotopes, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Percentage abundance. Percentage abundance means out of 100, it occurs in the universe. So in the universe, chlorine 35 is 75%. You have to memorize chlorine 35 is 75% and chlorine 37 is 25%. Find AR, relative atomic mass of chlorine. Now, always remember that formula of AR is x1 y1 plus x2 y2 divided by 100. X1 is this number, x2 is this number, this percentage is y1, second one is y2. Now can you tell me the value of x1?
X1 is 35.
X1 is 35. And can you tell me it's y1?
Y1 is 75.
75. And what about x2?
37
37
and 25.
and 25 divided by 100. Yes. Can you tell me the answer?
Sir, 35.5.
So you know that AR of chlorine is 35.5.
Sir,
Yes.
this formula can only work in isotopes only.
Yes, this is only for the isotope.
Okay.
Now question number
So
2.
other than isotopes, sir, other than isotopes, can you find in any other way? Can you find the AR?
No, there is no way. By a machine you can.
Okay.
By a machine you can.
Or
Which
by Google?
directly, yes, by Google. Google, you know that Google has all the solution of our problems. So question number 2 is,
Sir,
yes,
sir, I have a question. But like, what if there are more than two isotopes of an atom? Then what will happen to the X1 and X2?
same X1. If you have more than two atom, so you have multiply by X1 Y1 plus X2 Y2, X3 Y3, and so on.
Oh, okay, sir.
You just multiply it. Now question number 2 is for bromine. Bromine. Bromine is 7981. Percentage is same, 50%, 50%. Now calculate AR. Yes.
Sir, can you tell again what does abundance mean?
Abundance means, okay, now first give the answer, right? Uh,
Okay.
do you have fruit in your fridge?
Yes.
Are they abundant
What do you
or
mean by
few?
abundant?
Abundant means
Oh, okay.
many,
A lot.
many,
Okay. Yeah.
right?
Yes,
So
sir.
percentage abundant means number of fruits in your fridge, refrigerator, right? Let's suppose if you have only mangoes in your fridge, then percentage abundance of mangoes would be 100. If you have uh, 4 mangoes and 6 oranges, so percentage abundance is 60 and 40%.
Sir, will they give the percentage of the abundance in the question?
Yes, percentage abundance are given.
In the C.
Now try to solve question
Sure.
number 2.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, to find the AR, we have to do 79 times 50.
Hmm.
Yeah, 79 times 50 plus 81 times 50 divided by 100. So I got 80.
Yes. 80, correct answer. So same formula. So here you have 79 times 50, 81 times 50. So your answer would be 80. Okay. Now question number 3. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Hmm. Yes. Now, lecture number 3. Let's suppose you have strontium, right? Strontium has 4 isotopes. Strontium 84, strontium 84, percentage abundance is 0.56%. Next is strontium 86, percentage is 9.86%. Next, strontium is 87, percentage is 7%. If strontium is 88 and percentage is 82.58%. Now find AR. Yes. Just tell me the answer.
Sir, 87.7104.
87.7.
7.
Okay. Anyone else? So AR is yes, 84.0.56.
87.7.
87.7 is correct answer. 9.86. 87 times 7. 88 times 82.58. Divide by 100. So AR is 87.7. AR is 87.7. So this is all about relative atomic mass, right? So do you have any question regarding relative atomic mass?
Sir,
Yes.
so in the exam, do they give the percentage abundance of the all of them,
Yes.
or do they have to know them?
Yes. Percentage abundances are given
Okay, sir.
because without percentage abundance, it is very difficult to find the AR. Now we are doing past paper question, right? Few past paper questions. So this is okay. Now past paper of atomic structure, right? So first question is 5070 5070 Variant 12
Sir,
by June. Yes.
so this is the end of this unit? No, right?
Sorry, this is the end of.
It's not the, is it the end of the unit on the topic?
No. Still, we have few topics. I think. We can
Okay, till 2:05 p.m.
check it, right? So after this chapter, this unit, you have ion and ionic bonds, right? Then simple molecular and covalent bonding. Then bonding, you have bonding. After this chapter 2.2, we have the bonding.
Okay.
Now we are moving to this question, right? Five zero seven zero.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, do you know how many units there are in the syllabus?
11.
11. Okay.
In the first class, we have discussed.
Yeah, I forgot.
Hmm. So here is 2019. It's summer, paper 2, variant 1. And question number 1. This is question number 1. This is the question. This is the question. Now each particle can be used once, more than once, or not at all.
Sir, I solved all.
Yes. Which particle has only 20 protons in nucleus? Now find the number of
CA,
protons. Yes, find the
sir,
number of
wait.
protons for each one.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's CA, 3920. CA.
Okay, calcium
No,
has
right?
20, calcium has 20 proton, correct. So can you find the all proton number of all elements?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, find the number of
Proton,
protons for
Just see
Yes,
the down part, sir. You see the down
yes,
part,
can you,
except for the Cl minus. So meaning for the this one will be 35, 17, 17, 11, 8.
can you tell me just number of protons?
The number of protons sir, for Pr is 35. 35.
35. Okay, for chlorine,
17.
So there are 3 chlorines. Which one?
17. Yes, so again 17. So can you tell me for the sodium?
11,
11. And for oxygen?
8.
8.
For oxygen, it's 8. And for chlorine,
18, sir.
17.
Oh yeah, sorry, protons are 17.
Then copper,
Sorry, 29.
neon,
10.
oxygen,
8.
oxygen 8. So which one has 20 proton number? Only calcium.
Yes.
So which particle has only 20 protons in its? Okay. And which particle has a nucleon number 35?
Sir, Cl 17.
So this is nucleon number. So here we have 79. Here we have 35. Here we have 37. Here we have 23. Here we have 17. Here we have 39. Here we have 37. Here we have 64. Here we have 20. Here we have 18. So where is 35? You
Sir,
have,
Cl
you have only
35.
one.
Yes.
So chlorine 35 and 17. Yes, next. Which particle has an electronic structure of 288? So 288 means 18. So which one has 18?
Sir, Cl 37, 17 minus.
No, listen. Electronic configuration means number of electrons. So total electrons are 18. So which one has 18 electron?
Sir, Cl minus 37, 17.
Now find electrons, right? Electrons. Electrons. Yes. Tell me now number of electrons. Here no
Number of
charge, so
electrons are 20.
35. Here 17, no charge. Proton electron are same. Proton electrons are same. Here we have 20. Minus sign means 1 electrons are added. 29, 10. Minus 2 means 2 electrons are added, so 20. So the question was that which particle has an electronic configuration of 18? So which element has 18 electrons? Yes,
So Cl minus.
Cl minus. So Cl minus 37, 17. Am I right? Now next part. Yes. Which particle is an atom with only 10 neutrons? Ten neutrons. Yes.
Sir,
10
it's neon.
neutrons.
Ne-
Neon. So this is, you know that these are practice question. So you have to find neutron. So here you can write the neutron. Neutron. So here 35, 79 minus 35. Yes, can you tell me the nucleon number? Neutron number?
44, sir.
44. For second?
For second,
Mhm.
18.
18.
For the
Then
third one, 20.
20.
Then 12.
Then 12.
Then 9.
Then 9.
Then in this one, 19.
19.
Then
20.
again 20. Then
Yes.
35.
35.
10.
10.
And then 10.
10. So which one has
So neon and
which
O minus 2.
neon 2010? Neon 2010 and oxygen 18.8 minus 2. Yes, which particle is an atom of transition element?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, neutron number is we get neutron number by subtracting by doing
By,
like
sub,
a proton number.
by separating these two.
Yes, sir. So for O2, shouldn't it be 18 minus 8?
In which question?
In here, O2 minus, right? Shouldn't the neutron number be 8 instead of 10? No, for O2, for O2 minus. O
O2
minus.
minus 18 minus 8.
Yes, sir.
18 minus 8 is 10.
Okay, okay, sir.
So neon and oxygen. So the last question is that which particle is an atom of transition element? So how can you identify the transition element? Transition metals are those metals which have different colors, right? So bromine is not metal. Yes, this is not, this is not, this is not, this is not, this is not.
Copper.
Or copper. Yes, copper is correct. Copper, only copper, 6429. 6429 is correct. Now, next question.
Sir,
Yes.
what do you mean by a color?
Color, I mean to say that you know that we have manganese, right? Mn. So sometimes manganese is purple, sometimes manganese is brown, sometimes manganese become yellow. So it has manganese has uh, different colors, right? That's why it is called transition element.
Okay.
Okay. So the next one is next question I am finding from the past paper. So next question is 2019 May June paper 2 May June paper 2 question number 1. So it's 2019, right? Two thousand nineteen. 2019 summer. Question number 1. Yes, look at the question. This is your question. Yes, next question is yes, solve this sum. Yes, question number 1. Which particle has 18 protons? Yes. Can anyone find the number of protons? Yes. Yes, can you tell me how many protons
Yes, sir.
does carbon?
In the carbon has 6.
6 protons.
6 plus 4 because there are 4 atoms of hydrogen.
So total 10
10.
protons. This is proton. Yes, for iron,
For iron, it's
I
26.
think 26 minus 2 is 24. Yes, for H2S,
Wait, sir, why didn't you do minus 2?
because plus 2 is here. So whenever you have plus sign, it means remove 2 electrons.
Okay, sir. And then,
But sir,
Yes,
would by changing by putting 2 plus or 2 minus, would only the electrons will be affected, not the protons?
very good, very good, very good. So this is what I am waiting for. So proton number is 26. Now you are correct. Now for H2S,
H2H is 2 plus 16,
2
which
plus
is 18.
16, 18. And then for NH4,
NH4 is 7 plus 4, it is 11.
7 plus 4 is
11.
11, correct? Next,
Cl minus will be 17,
17.
and H plus is also 1.
H plus is
1, sir.
H plus is 1. And what about MnO4?
MnO4 25 plus 25 plus
MnO4?
Mn is 25 and O is 8, so that will be 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 25.
Can you tell me the proton number of manganese? It's
Sir,
20,
25, sir. No, sir, 25.
25. And oxygen? 8
It's
times 4.
8 times 4.
So 32 plus 25,
57, sir.
57. And what about the phosphorus?
Phosphorus 15.
15 plus 3 or only 15?
Yes, sir, only 15.
So which one has as 18 proton?
H2S.
H2S. Which particle is used to test for a reducing agent? So this is other than atomic structure, right? This one is other than atomic structure. The C part, which particle is an ion that contains only 10 electrons? Now find the electrons. Yes. Electron protons are same. Here we have 24. Here we have 18. Here we have 10. Here we have 18. Here we have 0. Here we have 58. Here we have 18. So which one has 10
NH4 plus.
electrons?
NH4 plus. sir.
NH4 plus
Yeah, 10 electrons.
and
And CH4.
CH4 and only these
So
two,
there are-
right?
Yeah, only these two.
Only these two. Okay, but next time we will start new unit, right? Which is bonding. This is all about lecture number
6.
6. So we have started lecture number 6 from example number 2. So this is our lecture number 6. Lecture number 6. This is lecture number 6, right? So inshallah, tomorrow we will start lecture number 7. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow, inshallah, from tomorrow we will start new unit, bonding, inshallah. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir.
Allah
Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.